Idle 197. I'm gonna show you the review of the Recon and Longshot customized. So this is it. The scope of the Longshot and the whole Recon without the flip up sight. Then after it, you could look at here. Look at this. At the inside. You could see it's so cool. Okay, that's all. So I'll show you the test firing of this thing. So let's see. See that? Now you shoot like this. Good job. So that's all. Let's shoot 35 feet. So let's get the streamline darts. Those are strong. So please subscribe because this is Idle 197 signing up.